Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope everything's fine. I hope everyone's okay. So today we are going to code, to write, to program a password generator in Python. But first, I will ask you guys to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, just give me a like. You don't have to pay anything. Just press two buttons, subscribe and like, or unlike if it doesn't like. So, well, we're going to create this password generator. It's very simple, and I'm going to use PyCharm, but you can use any text editor. I'm using Ubuntu. All right. So I just open here. I just created the project, right, in Python. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that again because I showed already how to do it. File, new project, select the path, and then done. Create the file. So I create a new file, new Python file, um, password. All right. I'm not going to do any fancy like a header or something fancy. Okay. I'm just going to make a functional code. All right. So let's do it. First of all, we have to import random to generate random stuff for us. So the second, I'm going to just create here a header. It's not header, just the title. Uh, Password generator. Done. So now we have to create a alphabet or a list with letters from the alphabet. You can use any alphabet, English, Polish, Russian, or any other alphabet in the world. So I will just create in English, so alph, right? And then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, X, Y. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And then now the special characters. Here. Then here. And then bigger, smaller, and this. Done. So we finished. Now we are going to create a variable to receive the amount of password the user wants to enter, like how many passwords he wants to generate. So pnum equal int, because it's going to be an integer input, right? How many passwords you want to generate. Okay, so now we have to ask about the size, the length, right? So p length and int, because it's going to be an integer also, input. What is the password's size? So we're done. Now we have to print hey, here's your passwords, right? Print generated passwords. And then here just give print to just jump online. Now we have to make a function for, okay, for in range or password in range, and then p num. All right. Now we are going to receive these passwords. Passwords equal here. Perfect. Now for generate the size, we say for a in range p len. Okay, and then we are going to say passwords passwords equal. So here we are going to say plus equal random dot choice. Okay, and then we say the alph, that is the alphabet, right? Press enter and then just back one and then print passwords. That's right. So let's just test this code. Also, I just updated to the GitHub this code, right? So let's try. Here, how many passwords we want to generate? 5. What's the size? 10. Let's see. Here, it jumped one line. Just take it from here. Here, how many passwords? Generated passwords? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So perfect. Right, let's try another one with 15, like 5 and 15 char. So it generated us and it worked perfectly. All right. So that's it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and again, subscribe to my channel and help me to grow this channel, right? Thanks, and see you guys on the next video.